Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, February 26, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 11 points right now. Right now, they're trading right around the 2760 level. So again, a pretty good move this morning after Friday's rally. And that was a pretty big rally on Friday, especially going into a weekend. Market showed some strength there, and there was no fear of traders holding stocks into the weekend. So that's a positive sign in and of itself. Today we have futures up 11 points ahead of the opening bell. We'll see what today gives us. In the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. Take a look at the first one. It's going to be Berkshire Hathaway, just simply because Warren Buffett has spent the morning on CNBC. Stock closed at 202.76. It's now trading at 206.82. So again, very, very good pop there for Berkshire. I think there's going to be some resistance around 209 if we get there today, maybe 210. So watch that level. Again, it's not the greatest shorting level, but it's going to be some kind of resistance. But I would probably say that would be where I would look for this thing to stall out if it does. At the moment, though, Berkshire getting a nice little pop. And again, Warren Buffett's been answering questions on CNBC all morning about a variety of different things. So again, give that stock a little bit of the benefit of the doubt. We're not going to look at the A shares. We'll just look at the B shares. That's what most people do trade. All right, let's take a look at General Electric. Looks like they're going to restate earnings for 2016, 2017. Right now, the stock is trading at $14.51. Closed at $14.49, so no real change there, and we'll see how it goes. It looks like they are going to also try to reduce the board of directors. So again, GE doing all the right things, moving in the right direction, but again, the stock still has a lot of work to do. Let's take a look here at Foot Locker. It looks like that was upgraded today. Stock is trading at $48.30, closed at $48.25. No real movement there. Target, also another name, upgraded today. That is catching a little bit of a bid, but no real volume behind it, so be a little bit careful there. But Target holding firm right now, and the stock is trading at $76.50. We'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. Looks like Qualcomm is in the news. Looks like they have looks like they are going to talk further with Broadcom. So Qualcomm, which was down around 63.32 on Friday, now trading at 64.95. Did pop a little bit higher, but they are going to continue talks with Broadcom. So that merger deal or potential merger deal is not over yet, and we'll see what comes out of it. U.S. Steel is surging higher today. That's a really good pop there. Closed at $43.52, trading up to around $45.30. I happen to think all the steel names are a little bit long in the tooth here at this stage of the game. But over the weekend, it looks like there was a Bloomberg article that said President Trump is going to do the harshest tariffs he can on steel imports. So again, we'll see how this plays out, but that is the news, and U.S. Steel catching a good little bid. You also want to take a look at Nucor Steel, which is also trading around $69 today. That's a nice little pop there, but again, volume is light on both of those names, so you want to be a little bit careful. Here's a stock that didn't hit today, Dean Foods. Stock closed on Friday at $10.13, now trading at $8.76. This is just getting absolutely hammered after earnings. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings as well. I don't love the single-digit stock. So, again, there might be something there, but I don't see anything right now. Let's take a look at TAL, which is TAL Education Group. Stock right now trading at $36.16, closed at $38.85. So this is a good little downtick. If this got down to around $29.90 or so, I think there could be a play there. Keep that on the radar. ALB is in the news today on a Morgan Stanley downgrade. Stock trading at $114.24, closed at $118.75. The irony here is the company reports earnings tomorrow, I believe, after the closing bell. So Abel Marley is down today on a downgrade, but they will be reporting earnings tomorrow after the closing bell. So be careful there with that one. And that's pretty much everything that I'm seeing so far this morning. A little bit on the lighter volume side overall. Let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is catching a decent little bit, up $7.90. We'll use the GLD for a proxy here. And GLD right now trading at 126.78. So again, you're seeing spot gold up around $7.80 to $1,338 an ounce. GLD also up a little bit from the close at 126.14 on Friday. So gold is catching a bid. The dollar's a little bit on the weaker side, not down all that much though. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Looking at crude oil today, we have crude futures down 28 cents to $63.27 and a barrel. And when you look at the USO, it's a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. You'll see that's trading at around $12.74, basically flat from Friday's close. So there you have it. Gold is up a little bit. Crude oil down just a touch. We're not going to make too much out of either. It's a light volume Monday, and we'll see what we get. There's not a whole lot of action as far as earnings today, but it will pick up as we get later in the week. So again, Monday's going back to a little bit of a lighter volume day, and we'll see what today gives us. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We're having a great 2018. We had a fun week last week, some good profits in the books, and again, we're going to try to do the same this week. So if you haven't done it, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, trade right alongside of us, and again, we will see you all on the charts. Take care, everyone.